The countdown to the 8th edition of the International Space Camp began long before the delegates arrived in Moscow. It started with the Movsta merchandise box, a thoughtfully curated camp kit reflecting the journey of space learning, cultural exploration, and the memories waiting to be made.
Hello everyone, here we have the official International Space Camp merchandise box 2026. It's carefully packed and beautifully designed. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Here's the Movsta carry bag, which includes our International Space Camp 2026 jacket.
It's a beautiful maroon color with...
On one side we have our country flag, and on the other side we have our mission badge. The back side includes two things.
Is the Gaganyaan mission. It's in a Soviet Union art style.
Which is inspired from India's Gaganyaan space mission.
Here we have information, the whole file. It has my
flight tickets, insurance, itinerary, along with travel forms. Now coming to the main Movsta merchandise box. The color is rich maroon and gold, and on the panel it shows different stages of growth like ignition, in orbit, and skybound.
We're gonna open the box now. So this is a welcome card.
We have this manual.
It describes everything that's been included in the box.
Then we have this envelope. Inside this envelope is something really cool.
Alright, we have an ID card. It's really cool. So we have the NFC card
with Movsta branding. With a simple tap, we can access our delegate profile. Along with this, it gives priority access and other benefits across the Movsta platform. Next, we have the Movsta thank you card, which mentions the International Space Camp 2026 marks the 8th chapter. Along with that, a growing legacy of 70 plus Movstronauts who continue to rise beyond boundaries. Here we have the notepad, which is designed with ISRO patterns, and it looks really amazing. It will be really useful in taking notes and journalizing during the camp.
We have this t-shirt. It has my details on it. Oh, we have some really cool stickers. So these are pretty cool.
It is inspired from the aviation and cockpit culture. These are really cool, by the way.
Okay, we have this box which has a pen
with the bold orange design with custom engraved logos. It looks really professional. And last but not the least, here is a mini guidebook that breaks down the story, inspiration, and the background behind every single item in the box. So this was all, and I had a wonderful experience in unboxing this kit, and I'm really excited for the upcoming space camp. I'm really glad to be a part of this camp. See you there.